Hi, I'm Russell, I'm a wire sculptor, and today we're going to make a bumblebee out of fluffy craft wire. It'll be fun, easy, and these are the things you need. Today we'll need some wire, a pair of pliers, one thin chenille, some black and yellow chenille. We'll start with the wings. Most insects, bees included, have two sets of wings. A bend in the wire. One side of the wings to the other side of the wings. And the back wings are a little bit smaller. Little circle. And attach its eyes. We'll make little concentric circles. The other half of the wire, same again. These can be attached to the bee. And then just using your fingers, wrap around to make the bee's body. Then we'll attach the wing. And use yellow. Same, using your finger to wrap the yellow around. Tying it at the end, just a twist, gives you Bumblebee. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making your Bumblebee, and I'll see you next time.